Mima Obibi Akwaba Eba juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm Bremo. Aye Papuya Nimfuni Ewo Screen Su Aye Professor Frimpong Boateng, no a former Minister for Environment, Science and Technology, or trendy papa wo Nensimbi or the other two report be a good PA President Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo as a report no so eliki na munsem ama papa we trendy. Ni nyina gina aye galamsey hunsensemi a wache say aban panifo ne wana involved in the Galamsey presidency of Bobo nyina wani din ama papa we trendy na anse na yebeko seminimu message say we subscribe to the channel na message say obe subscribe or click the subscribe button so the actual will screen so na wabele notification no we na sa video fufu bi ebe upload no also wonsa ebe can be afi we na wa like video no make thumbs up na afi wa share ama ofufro so enya bi a hwe afi yenko seminimu eye Professor Frimpong Boateng ono no former Minister Environment, Science and Technology ono also ene Interministerial Committee Chairman for illegal mining na the report bi koto eye na nado anim the munsem no ayedeja na report na yehwe stories abeto abontin and na wo screen so no say Lord Commey, Nii Teiko, ex-NPP MP, NDC MP cited in Frimpong Boateng's Galamsey report. Now you heard the next report. I say how Oppong Nkrumah hatch plot to bring me down over Galamsey fight. Frimpong Boateng details in report. Aye Galamsey no all fighting illegal miners no. Aye Information Minister aye Oppong Nkrumah ne centrophobic bopo say one in the neighbor form one be bringing it down. Ni nyina aye Galamsey fight here. Now yenko details no yen share the first story. A former Minister of Environment, Science and Technology and Innovation, Professor Kwabena Boateng, has named members of parliamentarian top government officials who are allegedly involved in illegal small-scale mining, that is Galamsey, in Ghana. Portions of the report on illegal small-scale mining in Ghana by Professor Frimpong Boateng indicated that these MPs and government officials were either directly involved in Galamsey or were using their power to protect relations who were involved in Galamsey menace. Not just say abamu penifo either say one na eye and answer one do when tumi a one wono e dey protect eye when relatives when busuan when namfo when eye sa eye Galamsey yen say Galamsey ensu na ese no yen nyina ye kutia ensu ne say amanfo nyansu panom just omo de ko.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Yet to a story no say the 36-page report which Professor Frimpong Boateng addressed to the Chief of Staff and the Ghana Police Service implicated former MP for Manson Kwanta, Joseph Albert Kwam, Director of Operations at the Presidency, that is Lord Commey, Executive Assistant and Head of Social Media at the Presidency, Charles Nii Teiko, and Frank Asiedu, Director of Political Affairs at the Office of the Chief of Staff. Not just say Office of the Presidency there, a year Galamsey Kingpins from Kwanigo. Lord Commey, break the age. They were doing Galamsey, involved. Yet to as well. I say, throughout our struggle with illegalities in the small-scale mining sector, which baffled me was the total disregard of the President's commitment to protecting the environment. I can state without any equivocation that many party officials from the national to the unit committee level had their friends, PAs, that are personal assistant, agents, relatives, financiers, or relatives engaged in illegal mining. Most of them engaged Chinese working for them. Not just say we from party from the top to the lowest. When the bushing for 1 year Galamsey and I wanna fight a China for abeshe asiano 1 year and who say 1 year sa Galamsey China for no and a shim and a year to what you say Chinese for a me was 1 and I employ Chinese for no 1 year Galamsey one is saying so one is say and say and found him rap a president debate to be a 1 in ho. Now what was say these are appointees. I said there are appointees in the Jubilee House that are doing or supporting illegal mining, interfering with the fight against menace. Examples are Lord Commey, Charles Nii Teiko, and Frank Asiedu Bequin. Part of the report read. There is Akufo-Addo mudin nyina no wane nyina wane ye. Which say ono nani abra wa kutia ye galamsey no wane de wane hwe hokora. No ne say adwuma na wane ye wane sensu sense ase ye wane galamsey.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Information Minister Oppong Nkrumah ne sentrofo bi bo po say Kwabena be attack ye Frimpong Boateng. Ye hwe no so story ne details. A report by the chairman of the dissolved Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining, Professor Frimpong Boateng, has cited Information Minister Kojo Nkrumah as scheming to run him down. Not just say Kojo Nkrumah about possess one of the never perform. Or say one of the big names indicated in the report is the Minister for Information, who, according to Mr. Frimpong Boateng, gathered and incited a team of journalists to attack him. There's one is central for share and one bopo say one be attacking and one also one be to action. So on Saturday, 8th of February 2020, Mr. Oppong Nkrumah, the Minister for Information, assembled a group of journalists from both NDC and MPP affiliated media houses at the Forest Hotel in Dodowa to discuss a strategy to bring me, Kwabena Frimpong Boateng, down. Whilst they were there, a journalist from among the group called a friend of mine, also a journalist, and informed him about the plot that was being hatched. Just say, Abra one share one did come more for my one ever first one day Professor Frimpong Boateng a beba form. Now century be a friend, and down for century be a catch and see and a coso. He further informed my friend to watch out for the headlines in some newspapers in the days following the meeting. Not just say meeting no cost no say when the one hear headlines a papers news about abonting one hear headlines at one of the babato abonting. Subsequent to the said meeting, the report to the president captured the various stories were published in the media against his person, and that beyond that, the Minister for Information sought to run him down during the cabinet meeting. As I say, Oppong Nkrumah per se within a platform abra a cabinet issue ya wani bobo and sembebre home. Now, what was I say on Monday, 10 February 2020, the Informer newspaper, whose editor was at the meeting, had the banner headline on its front page as reproduced below. As if that was not enough, on Thursday, 13 February 2020, at the 71st cabinet meeting, Mr. Oppong Nkrumah,
you are
in his
watching
regular
Juicy
report
News
to
on
cabinet,
YouTube. Hot news
about
all
news
time.
that was trending in the week. Just when she a cabinet meeting, and someone else so a yes and one day. The first thing he mentioned was Frimpong Boateng and 500 missing excavators. The former minister said. As part of his report, Professor Frimpong Boateng alleged that some members of the committee, including Kojo Nkrumah, sabotaged his work. Na ohwa utumi say papa no na ono ne ni abrese obeye dwuma ba hu say akwansidie nipa bebe wo kwan mu a wani sini kwan sere ebeye na dwuma no entimi nkoso ni nyina gina eye galamsey nti oman utumi hu say ye mpanifo na ya form no enom be kase o kira no mu kase o mu nyina sika ne bre na wane pe enye oman ni yeyo na wane pe because wo hwe de yakoso ya NDC MPP wani nyina enye oman ni yeyo na wane pe obi aba opeso obefom na ban aba nti ono so kwan ono so benye sika no ese o faso no fom oman ye be ye ni se ye nyina wo sa adwen powe e wo yetirimu oman ne be ye ye be da akoye ni ye fight na be afa chiri because wo sini kwan on pesa wo be ye wadwuma no eti oh god yet to our story no so I say it must be noted that Mr. Oppong Nkrumah, as Minister for Information, was a member of the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining, and he never called me to find out what I knew about the missing excavators. But he found it worthwhile to magnify it in press and also present the falsehood before cabinet for reasons best known to him and his co-conspirators. Just say or no so no can Interministerial Committee no ho na ka bibie no kura oh prof say ni na koso dabi na mu or the call cabinet meeting e ko kan say the beya obegu papa we animu ase ni nyina gina eye niema ono eye Kojo Nkrumah de obenya film tin na ma na ye sa niema no sa na report no eye about 36-page report. Yeah, to our story say after the 2020 general election, Oppong Nkrumah on many occasions attributed the below expectation performance of the NPP to the government management of the banking crisis and the Galamsey fight. The fact is that those who did not vote for the NPP in the Galamsey areas were not the miners, but rather the hundreds of thousands of people living in communities bordering the forest reserve who were being harassed by the mining companies, such as Heritage Imperial, he added. Let's say when I work here Galamsey side communities or 1 year mining and 1 and 2 about MPP sans 1 year mining and I want to Atta Krum for near the Anonama 2020 election 1 and 2 a year MPP. Nina a reporter a year Professor Frimpong Boateng at the Commey. Sa report was just 2 years ago at the Akufo-Addo table super pimne Yehudi Airco.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ghana. Edion. Just a wood drinks handsome boom in our Wontiasio. Now break the 8, break the 8, break the 8. Young mum quite some met was so nice, much as a movie goes. Yo, it for Mikao says, so we subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe or click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We are a video for be upload no so once a bekebi. After we are now like video no na fe wa share ama ofoforo so enye bi a share. Also betimi a kire wadwon fa ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu. Mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.